Welcome back to Review One Box. Mercedes-Benz is gearing up for a major comeback in the electric SUV market with a brand new model, the Mercedes-Benz GLC with EQ technology. Recently spotted in new spy shots and officially teased by the Mercedes, this mid-size electric crossover is set to replace the underperforming EQC, which was discontinued in 2023 after a disappointing run. So can this new GLC EQ finally win over the luxury crowd? Let's find out. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to enable notification alert so that way you wouldn't miss another uploaded video. Anyways, unlike the EQC, the new GLC EQ adopts a new familiar design language. As per the rendering, up front, it boasts entirely new headlights featuring LED running lights shaped like the Mercedes logo. Expect a sleek, faux grille similar to the new CLA sedan. From the side, you'll notice retractable door handles, a signature touch seen on the latest Mercedes models. Around back, a full-width light bar and three-pointed star graphics give it a bold, futuristic flair. But the real changes are underneath. Built on the brand new MB.EA platform, featuring an 800-volt architecture and lightning-fast charging up to 320 kilowatts, which is nearly triple when compared with the previous EQC's rate. Performance lovers or AMG enthusiasts would be delighted to know that an AMG version is also expected, packing over 500 horsepower. The all-electric Mercedes-Benz GLC with EQ technology debuts later this year. Stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.